Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn about a Python program that is write a Python function to print nth strong numbers between m and o. So given the range between m and o, so you have to print the or identify the strong numbers and print the that is n strong numbers. So strong number is a number so whose sum of factorials of individual digits is equals to the number itself, so that is referred as strong number. So let's get started. So let's define a function that is strong, and we have to give the range that is start and end range as a input to the function. So once we get the start and end range, so let's iterate that is for number in range of start to end plus 1 we have to give, because outbound value we have to consider. So yeah, so we are trying to iterate from the start to end. So now let's take temp variable in order to store the number, and yeah, so we are copying the contents of number to the temp, and let's take variable total equals to 0. So total will store the factorial, that is sum of factorials of individual digits. So yeah, so let's use while loop. While temp is not equals to 0, so what you have to do is you have to perform modulus, then calculate the factorial of the last digit and try to trim the last digit. So let's take variable last underscore digit equals to, so here what we have to do is just trim get the last digit. So in order to get the last digit, so we have to perform the modulus operation by 10, so we'll get the last digit of temp. So once we get the last digit, we have to add the total equals to, add with the total plus the, that is we have to use a factorial over here. So in order to use the factorial of the last digit, so we have to import the math library. So let's import math and perform the math dot factorial. Factorial of the last digit. Yeah, so we are keeping, that is calculating the factorial of each and every individual digits, and then try to trim the last digit. Temp equals to, perform the true division to trim out the last digit from the, that is from the number. So yeah, so once the while loop completes, so you will be having the total and number. So let's compare the total with the number. If total is equals to the number, so what you have to do is, that is sum of factorial of individual digits is equals to number, so then print the, that is strong number is the number. So let's use string formatting over here. Let's give number, let's give is a strong number. Yeah, so this is a complete function to get the strong number between m and o, that is range. So in the main program, so let's take m equals to, so let's ask user to enter the value of m, and let's convert this to an integer. Yeah, and again let's take n equals to, so let's use input function, and here let's take enter value of o, and again convert this to an integer. Yeah, so once we, sorry, this is o, not the n, so we have to find the value of n. So once we get the m and o values, so let's try to find out the n values by calling the strong function, that is m comma o. Yeah, so this is a complete program to find the nth strong numbers between m and o. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter the value of M. Let's give 1, and here let's give value of O as something like 1 lakh. So you can see the 1 is strong number, 2 is the strong number, 145 is a strong number, 40585 is a strong number. Yeah, so this is the program to get the range and try to get the strong numbers between them. You can give space over here, space and space. Yeah, so this is a complete program to print the nth strong numbers between M and O. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.